Viewers, this is a recipe for making egg roll. People commonly know it as scotch egg. You measure your flour, and make sure you sieve it. And you sieve your flour in a tray. Sieve your flour. While you sieve the flour, you simply sieve your flour to make sure the flour is free from particles. And after sieving your flour, you add other ingredients like baking powder, salt to it, and fat. Remember, as I told you in the former recipe for pastry dough, make sure you add half fat to flour. Means that you have half fat, either butter or oil, to your flour. It means if you measure 4 cups of flour, you're going to use 2 cups of fat. If you're using oil, you use 1 cup of oil, because 2 cups of fat is equivalent to 1 cup of oil. I hope you understood. This one we use back oil, since we converted it to fat, to have a crispy pastry dough that can be used to roll your egg for a good egg roll. As you can see, make sure you rub well with your fingertips. This is a rubbing in method. You rub it well to trap air and to have a fine gari. You need to have a fine gari. After you mix with water, you then now take a cup of water to a recipe to have this dough. You have a good dough, good pastry dough for your egg roll. After doing that, the next step is that you need to boil your egg in a boiling water. You pour your egg in a boiling salted water. Why we put salt is to prevent the egg from cracking. You put the egg gradually so that it will not drop first. After putting your egg, you can see the egg on the fire already set to be boiled. You make sure you cover the egg well. You cover your egg well for 15 minutes if the water is not boiling. That is the egg in cold water. That is the egg in cold water. So after your egg has boiled for 15 minutes, you remove and rapidly cool in cold water. This also helps the shell to be easily removed from the egg. It will help you to separate your shell from your egg easily. After separating, you roll your dough to a thin paste of 0.5 centimeter. That is the egg roll. That is the egg that have been peeled. You place the egg on the rolled pastry dough and you roll it well, making sure you fold the edges properly. If you look at the shape, that is the shape, you get it. For egg roll, please don't forget they call it egg roll, not scotch egg. As you can see, they are placed together. This is egg roll. People commonly call it scotch egg, but it's egg roll. That's the result after frying. This one is what we call scotch egg, but today we are having a lesson on egg roll. Thank you for watching. Yes, hello viewers, I am about to tell you how to bake egg roll. People commonly know it as scotch egg, which is called egg roll. Listen as I explain.